Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the read and write storage speed test between the POCO X2 versus the POCO X3 device. So both phones, they do have the same kind of UFS 2.1 storage. So let's see friends, I'll be using the two read and write applications. One is a Android Bench application, next is a CPDT application. So let's see which phone will score the more points in terms of this kind of benchmarking. So this is the first time I'm trying to compare this both phones at same time. So POCO X3 versus the POCO X2 smartphone. So let me try to start the test at same time in both phones. So let's see which phone can actually finish the test faster and which phone can actually record the more scores when you compare this POCO X2 versus the POCO X2 device. And for more similar kind of comparison and what wallpapers I'm using in my videos, so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of smartphones and wallpapers and each and everything. So you can find a very good interesting videos over there in the links in description for more details. As you can see friends, right now both phones, they are doing pretty good, and let's see which phone will finish. I think the POCO X3 gonna finish very faster. As you can see, the POCO X3 did finish the benchmarking very faster, and let me try to compare side by side. So here is a quick comparison between the read and write storage. So now let me try to take the screenshot and let me try to zoom in, because that is the easiest way to compare between the both benchmarks. As you can see friends, this is the sequential read speed, and it is the POCO X2's read speed 500 versus 497, and the write speed is 252 versus 163. As you can see, the speeds I think in the POCO X2 is kind of more than the POCO X2 device. That's quite very strange, even though they both have the same kind of UFS 2.1, but still it's kind of strange as well. So you can see the scores when you compare side by side. So in the last bottom below, the scores are very different from the POCO X2. It's kind of double and triple as well, some scenarios. So on the top, I think top 4, the POCO X2 is the best one, and the bottom 3, the POCO X3 is the best one. So this is the overall comparison on the Android benchmark application. Now let me try to compare the other application, which is a CPDT application. Let me try to open that one and start the test at same time, and let's see this time which phone will be able to finish faster. I think I did not press at same time, so let me try again. So right now I did press at same time in both the smartphones. So let's see which phone will actually record more read and write speeds in this application. So you can see in the top score 76 on the POCO X3 and 205 on the POCO X2 and 435 on the POCO X2 device and 319 in the POCO X2 device and 1818, both are kind of same in the random write, and in the random read 11, and in the POCO X3, let's see, I think 14, and finally 4.89 and 4.85. So here is a quick comparison side by side friends, and the write speed again in this application as well, it's kind of double than the POCO X3's, and the read is more in the POCO X2 smartphone. And this is an overall quick comparison between the read and write speed test between the POCO X3 versus the POCO X2 device. And for more similar kind of comparison between both phones, don't forget to check the links in description for more details. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.